Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you doing? Can you hear me? Let's see. Good morning, ECP. Okay, y'all can hear me. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Sorry about that. I had to get myself together. Wow. Okay, so if you swung puts last night, congratulations. You should be in the money. Okay, you should definitely be in the money. Uh, the market fell down drastically, just like it just tanked, right? 8:30, I believe we had bad data came out. Bad data came out. If I'm not mistaken, let me verify that assumption. Let's see. No, it wasn't any data that came out. If I'm not mistaken. All right, so the market tanked, everybody. We went right back down to 424.95, and we're basically sitting around that same area. We're basically sitting around the exact same area that we were. Yeah, sitting around that 424 area. Okay, that area has been like that area has been very, 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 very strong, very, very, very strong, and it's been holding strong. And last night, sorry about last night, we had to cancel class last night. I was definitely feeling under the weather, and still feeling under the weather right now for the most part. But we're gonna go ahead and keep on pushing through. If you guys can hear me on, if you can hear me on Zoom, let me know you guys can hear me on Zoom. Okay, I see Billy. Yeah, he said hope you feel better. Okay, cool. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, let's see. One second. Nice recovery though right now happening. Nice recovery at the opening is happening right now. Nice recovery. Appreciate it, Pastor Robinson. My God, appreciate it. Nice recovery happening right now. All right. Yeah, I'm almost getting there. I'm almost back right. Probably another day I'll probably be straight. Another day I'll probably be on. I'll probably be good as far as how I'm feeling. So I say give another day I'll be straight. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Let's see what's going on. All right. So I haven't taken a look at the market yet. I just kind of saw that the market fell down. So let's jump into it and see what's going on. All right. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, go to my YouTube channel. If you want to be part, if you want to see my screen, go ahead and go to my YouTube channel if you're on Instagram. Man, last night I couldn't even move. Like I had laid down on the couch for a second and I couldn't even move last night. It was crazy. Like what in the world? I think my head's still fuzzy. I forgot exactly what I was doing just now. What was I doing? I was about to share my screen. There we go. Okay, I'm about to share my screen. All right, here we go. Matter of fact, anybody make any plays yesterday on the Zoom chat? I mean, anybody hold puts overnight, calls, anything? Anybody looking at any plays this morning? Anybody looking at anything right now? All right, here we go. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look at this thing. All right, so here we go. We have on the 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna get some zones in here right quick. Get some nice little zones. Got a nice demand zone right here, this 420. Got a nice demand zone, this 424 area. It's at 423.5. So we got a nice demand zone, 424 right here. I'm going to draw this up. Nice demand zone started right around here. Also remember everybody, next week we'll be on the mastermind schedule. So next week we'll be on the mastermind schedule, everybody. So everybody that's in the promised land, we will be on the mastermind schedule next week, okay? So we won't have regular sessions. We'll have our mastermind sessions. And that's Monday through Friday, okay? Monday through Friday. If you want to see my screen on Instagram, come to my YouTube channel. So right here, this is a 1 hour demand zone that we have right here. And then right up here, this 427.5 area. Right around here, this 427.5, we have a nice supply zone right here. 427.5, basically right around here, we have a nice supply zone. This is a 1 hour supply zone, okay? 1 hour supply zone. Right now, everybody, there's heavy pressure to the downside. Heavy pressure to the downside. The market has really been pushing down a lot, but it's been pushing down, but it's been bouncing right back up. Then it'll push back down, bounce right back up. So one thing I want to show you guys is this, what I was going to show you last night, but let's take a look at this trend line on the hour that's been forming, okay? You look right here on the 1 hour trend line, come right here, 1 hour time frame. We had this trend line that was forming, okay? And now with this trend line forming right here, we started right here, started right there, came down, came back up, hit right here, fell down, came back up right here and hit right there, okay? These trend lines right here are forming supply zones, okay? Every trend line is forming a supply zone. This is a supply zone right here because we came through, fell down, broke structure right there, fell through, came back up here, fell down, broke this structure right here, made this a supply zone, and then right here, we pushed down, breaking this structure right here, making this a supply zone as well, okay? So this is supply zone, supply zone, supply zone. So what I want to show you is this. I want you guys to take a look right here. So right here, boom, supply zone. Boom, right here, supply zone. Right, supply zone, right? So if you see this right here, and right here we have a demand zone right here, right? What does it look like? What does it look like? Okay. It looks like if I'm someone that's fighting a battle, right? Think about this. If I'm fighting a battle and I'm trying to get through this level and get through this level and get through this level, on my journey up, I have to go up through here, break through this level. I got to fight and break through that level. Then next thing you know, I got to come up through here and fight through this level. Then next thing you know, I got to come up here and fight through this level without getting hurt. Right? So what you got to ask yourself is this. Is it easier for this stock to go up right now? Or is it easier for this stock to fall down right now? Right now, in between on the 1 hour time frame, the only thing that's beneath us right now is what? This right here. Right? On the 4 hour time frame, the next supply zone or demand zone we have is the 420 area. That's on the 4 hour time frame. And on the 1 year, 1 day time frame, right now it's 4.6, what? No, about 420, the same thing, about 420, 422, potentially. That's the only thing that's holding us down. So if we say, okay, listen, up here, there's water up here. I'm thirsty, right? And there's water up here, and there's water down here. If I can look and say which is the best way to go get that drink of water, is it better to go through this, right? Fight through here to get to the water, fight through here and fight through here just to get to the water? Or is it better to fight through here just to get through the water? I would make the argument to say, hey, it's best to just fight through here to get the water. That would be my argument. So with that being said, Chris, what are you saying? I'm saying basically it's a strong possibility that we will see SPY go down to a 419, 420 area into that next zone. Okay? To that next zone. Check out. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, okay. All right. Appreciate it, 100 words. Appreciate you, brother. Y'all should be good now. Has so much stuff up, it's crazy. Okay. In the chat, does that make sense? In the Zoom chat, does that make sense?
Makes sense, Chris.
Okay, perfect. So what does that mean? Does that mean we just go in and buy puts immediately? No, it does not mean that. Okay, it does not mean that. What it means is now we're looking for a play out of supply. Because if I'm going up, if I'm fighting a battle right here, just to get to this level right here, just to get to this level right here, when I'm fighting this battle, it's not a guarantee I'm gonna win that battle, right? You might lose that battle. Growing up, I used to play the game Mortal Kombat all the time, right? Or think about playing Super Mario Brothers back in the day, or Mario Brothers on Nintendo back in the day. You got to get past each level to get to the queen, right? But how many times did you lose the first level or the second level? Okay? So now when I'm looking for a play, I'm looking for a play out of this level right here, out of this zone to push back down. Rejection. That's my first play. I don't just go here and buy puts because at the same time, right here is a demand zone. It's a 1 hour demand zone. Okay? Something just to think about. So anybody have the pivots? I got them on my other screen right here, so if you don't, it's okay.
I got them. You need them, man.
Yeah, go ahead and throw them out to me right quick.
Your pivot point is 426.79.
Hold on 1 second, Billy, my bad. 426.79. 426.
That's your pivot point.
All right.
Your support one is 424.98.
Okay.
Support two, 422.65.
Okay.
You have your resistance one at 429.12.
Okay.
And your resistance two is 430.93.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Okay, so this is the 15-minute time frame right now. I got my pivot point right here. Okay, like I say, as long as we're under this pivot point, puts are in play. As long as we're under the pivot. What just happened? All right, so I'm gonna erase these zones for now. remove drawing. Okay, but so that's what I want you guys to think about. Right now, there's an uphill battle to that 430 area. It's an uphill battle. Right now, the sellers are in play right now. The sellers are basically pushing this market down. But the thing about it is, when the sellers push this market down, buyers are buying in. Right? This is one of those falls that when the market goes down, the buyers are buying in at certain levels, and it's pushing the market right back up. And then when they buying in so heavily at this level, because they're building their positions for a takeoff, right? Basically, positions are being built for a crazy takeoff, all right? So while they're building these positions for the takeoff, it pushes the market up for 15 minutes to an hour. And then next thing you know, this is what happens. Right here, for example, is a perfect example. Right here yesterday. Right here yesterday, we consolidating, kind of going down. Next thing you know, we had some buying pressure. 15 minutes strong push up. Boom. Right here, another 15 minutes strong push up. So 30 minutes of a strong push up. Okay? 30 minutes of a strong push up, then what happens? Boom. The world falls, comes to an end. Big bullish and bearish and engulfing candlestick takes it all the way down here. Okay? Takes it all the way down here. But this is some strong buying power. This could psych a lot of people out because it's some strong buying power. 2 big boy green candlesticks. Then next thing you know, the next 15-minute candlestick comes and wipe everything out. Okay, so this particular downward movement is not necessarily downward trend movement. It's more so during pre-market we're having strong push downs. The plays are happening during pre-market, and then in the middle of the day we're having plays that happen, but it's not a trend. It's down, up, down, up, down, up. But what if you notice is this? If I go out farther, right? What you're noticing is this. Let me even go to the 4-hour time frame. So I want you to notice. Right here, we started up here. Fell down, came right here, 443. Fell down, came right here, small push up to 434. Push down, small push up back up. Push down, small push up. Right there, that's when the trend actually stopped. So now that was a trend down. Now this trend is stopped, and now we come right here. We're trying to push up, come back, pushing up, come back, pushing up right here to 431, and then we start a downward trend again. Push down, come back, push down, come back. Every push up falls shorter is making a lower high. In other words, every push up is making a lower high. So now what we want to see is that going to stay true? See this high right here? High, lower high, lower high. If it's going to stay true, this next candlestick that comes to this trend line is going to be a lower high. If that stays true. Okay? And if that stays true, the play is going to go down, and then this time we're going to break that 424 area, probably break that 422 area, and go saying hello to 420. Okay? Saying hello to 420. Right. 15 minutes till 10. This is how the 5-minute time frame looks. It looks pretty strong right now. Look fairly strong. The VIX right here is at a pretty decent high as well. If I look at the VIX on the 1-hour time frame, I see that 1971 was the high. Let me clear this VIX right quick and do some stuff on here. All right. So we know 1971 was the high. Got a 1581 is mostly the low for this time period. Come right here. The next level is somewhere right around here. Boom. Right where we are right now. Chris, why is this level important for the VIX? If we look right here, we currently right here right now, right? But if we go back in history, you see right here, this was a strong level of resistance. Right here, resistance. Right here, resistance is the 1-hour time frame. Right here, resistance. Right here was support. Right here, resistance. So this is a strong level. Okay. Push down a tad bit more to right around here. Inside of actually small little box. Got some support right there. Okay. So right now, what I would want to see is, I would want to see if the VIX is going to break. If I go down to the 15 minute, it can look a little better. Or the 15 minute time frame. The 15 minute time frame. Let's see if the VIX is going to break this 18.4 level and go down to this 17.6 level, or is it going to break this 18.78 level? It's inside of a box, and it's been inside of a box since for 15, 1, 30, 45, an hour and 30 minutes. We've been inside of this 18.78 to 18.44 box. Okay, if the VIX break beneath this box, we're going to see SPY go up. If we see the VIX break above this box, we're going to see SPY goes down. Okay. And so if the VIX break beneath this line right here, we should see SPY go up. Then we see the VIX should be coming down somewhere around this area. Okay. If we want to see it break and hold though, you got to see that retest. And if we see the VIX go above this level, this 1878 level, we should see SPY go down. Okay. We should see SPY go down. Let's take a look at Apple right quick. What does Apple have going on? Right here. Okay. We want to see Apple break for the upside. We want to see Apple break above that 174.07. If Apple breaks above that 174.07 and it holds, right? If it breaks above that 174 holds, Lila, Michaela, go to my YouTube right quick and put your question in the YouTube chat, and then I'll go over in a second. So if we see that Apple breaks above this 174, everybody, it's going to we'll potentially see more movement to the upside on the actual overall market, especially SPY, okay, and QQQ. We want to see a break of that 174.07 for Apple. Let's see. U.S. House Speaker McCarthy to hold vote on motion to vacate on Tuesday. House Speaker McCarthy told House Republicans he will not cut a deal with Democrats. I do like how Apple looks, right? I like how Apple is moving strong right now, but Apple has to break above that 174.7 zone before we start making any major noise. SPY does look pretty healthy, pretty good. Trying to move up slowly but surely ticking. Anybody else in any plays right now?
Yeah, what's up, Chris?
What's going on, bro?
I'm in a Apple swing. I got a 205. I got it until January.
Nice. 205 strike price?
Yeah.
When you got in?
I've been in it for about 3 days now. I got in last week.
Oh, okay.
I want to say last Friday or Thursday.
You got in, was it in the 60s or the 70s?
Like right at 70, right at 70, 71, I want to say.
Okay. You should be right around break even, or a little bit up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to be patient with it. That's why I got it out to January.
Yeah, that's smart. Because what I'm about to start doing is, once I see what this bottom is, I'm gonna buy some things out for about 6, 7, 8 months as well. If you break above that 174 though, you're gonna be in a good spot. If we break above 174 on Apple, you're gonna be in a pretty good spot. You know, that's gonna be kind of telling the tale that, hey, people are what happened to my people are buying back in and holding. So that'll definitely be pretty good. Because the last time it was above 174 was on September 26th, and when it was above 174 then, but it had came from all the way. It had went all the way up to 177, and had kind of been flirting around there. So 174 to that 177, break 174, and then it should have a smooth little sail to 177. You get into the 180s, bro. Congratulations.
Yeah, I hope so. I'm sitting back waiting, being patient.
Gotcha. Dev, that's all you can do on them particular plays. Just be patient and do some scalp on some other plays.
Yeah.
Exactly. Anybody else in any other plays? Let's see. My question, did you call? Yes, I did call Savion 007 on Sunday for the raffle. I did. Oh yeah, so Savion 007. So got you. I know what you're talking about. We called your name and you said it, and no one said anything back. But so what we'll do is we'll take care of you. So no worries. We'll take care of you. So what I wanted you to do is, and also Miss Tammy and we're sending everything out today as well. So Lila, go ahead and send your to that admin at iwontknowledge.com. Send your Zelle information there to admin at iwontknowledge.com. VIX, VIX, Lorenzo. VIX. All right. So check this out, everybody. We see that 1844. We see the VIX just broke through that 1844. With the VIX breaking beneath that 1844 with vengeance like that, it's admin. The email address is admin at iwontknowledge.com. Oh, okay. Okay, got you. Yeah, admin, ADMIN at iwontknowledge.com. So we see the VIX broke beneath that 1844. Now, with VIX breaks beneath that 1844, what is SPY doing? SPY should be pushing up some. There we go. So now SPY is pushing up, going towards this pivot. SPY is pushing up, going to this pivot. We should see Apple having a big, strong candlestick as well. Probably chart. Where's Apple? Hey. I don't know why I might be losing my stocks on my watch list. There you go. Apple, strong move. Trying to push up. I saw Tesla just now too moving. Tesla trying to move. Tesla's back down to the 240s. Crazy. Tesla be at 240 one day. Next day is at 280. Crazy. All right, so that's what we have there. We got 5 minutes till 10, everybody. 5 minutes till 10. Now, two things right here. Okay. First thing is this. This is what I want everybody to pay attention to right now for a second. Since we had that first drop, since we had this drop right here, boom, crazy drop. Boom, 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 crazy drop. Right? Then now, ever since we had that crazy drop, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4 green 15-minute candlesticks. 15-minute candlesticks. 4 of them. Is there a payment plan for the master class coming up? Unfortunately, there's no payment plan for the mastermind because the mastermind is next week. So the mastermind starts next week on October 9th. So right now, there's no payment plans for it. But you do have up until the 9th to pay for it or until all the seats are filled. So I just put that admin I want knowledge in the chat just now, in the YouTube chat. So you see how we come into this pivot and we're rejecting this pivot right now? But this is what I'm about to say. So we got 4 green candlesticks right here. So what it's telling us is that these candlesticks are closing they're closing bullish. Every candlestick is closing bullish. Okay? Every candlestick is closing bullish. Now, with every candlestick closing bullish, this is good. This could be a signal that, hey, it's a strong possibility that we may etch up, like trade up for the rest of the day. Maybe like we may close at a $3 spot, right? Positive $3 spot. Or what it could mean is we're going to have one big red candlestick that wipes all of this out. That wipes everything out. Okay? So this is why I wait till 10 o'clock before I start trading to kind of see what type of trade we're going to be in. Are we going to trend trade up right now, or are we going to eventually start to consolidate, or what we're going to do? Because right now, for the whole first 30 minutes, we've been trending up. Okay, it hasn't been a crazy first 30 minutes where it's going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's a good thing. Okay, with this trend up for the first 30 minutes, that means that the buyers are just steadily buying in. It's not a whole bunch of buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. It's just steady buying in, and that's good. Okay, that's good. What we want to see, what we would like to see, we want to see it break above this trend line first. And we know if we break above this trend line, we're coming right here into the supply zone. All right. What we wouldn't mind seeing, we wouldn't mind seeing a push down, right? If we want the market to go up, a quick push down. And then as soon as it pushes down, the buyers buy right back in and push it back up. That's a sign for us that, hey, the buyers are buying in. Okay, the buyers are buying in. That's a sign for us, and those are opportunities for us to get into some quick plays. All right, this VIX half going on. Let's see what the other big boys at. Google is sitting still. Amazon is actually trending downward. Microsoft sitting still, consolidating. Where's Meta? Meta. Meta's kind of consolidating as well for the most part. What's on my screen? Why is that on my screen? Good stuff, William Brown. William Brown said those RB intraday pivots came in handy for a 30% scalp this morning. Listen, those RB pivots on point. I love those RB pivots, man. Those RB pivots, love them. I love them. Oh man, brother.
Hey, Chris, you see Spy?
She going crazy?
It's going down.
Going down?
Yeah.
Oh, that big boy red candlestick I was just talking about?
That's it.
There it goes. Like clockwork. Now, what do we want to see though? It's 10 o'clock, right? What do we want to see? We want to see a potential wick back up off of this candlestick. If we get a potential wick back up off of this candlestick, what does that mean, everybody? That means the buyers are buying in. There goes SPY. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. That's what it feels like. You're waiting to see what's going to happen, right? Check out the VIX. The VIX should have shot up or something right quick. Let's see. Yep, there go the VIX shooting up right there. Now, we want to see the VIX reject this level right here. It broke above it. Let's see if it rejects that level. If it rejects that level, if it rejects that level, SPY gonna go back up. It's struggling though. No, it's struggling. It's definitely struggling. It's definitely struggling. It's struggling. It couldn't even make it up to that next supply zone. It's finna break S1. It's breaking the S1. It's breaking the S1. It's over 50%. Look at this 1 hour time frame. Look at that go. Good geesh Louise. Look at this right here. It's broken 50% of that 1 hour candlestick now. It's broken 50% of that 1 hour candlestick. Look at that. If it breaks through, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick, everybody. Bearish engulfing candlestick. Oh, man. Now, we do know where it's coming to is a strong level of support, though, everybody. Where we're going is a strong level of support. The VIX should be going to tackle out this top right. Yep. So now the VIX is back here trying to attempting to break through this 1878 again. If the VIX break through this 1878, we're going to see it try to attempt to go break up to that, go back up into this $19 area. Apple should be pushing down right now. Yep, Apple did the exact same thing. Meta, exact same, everything on the exact same thing. QQQ, exact same thing. Let's see. Let's see. Now the thing is this. Look at this. Now, all of this work right here, everybody, all of this work wiped away in one candlestick. Now, I want you guys to think about this. Everybody probably experienced this. Think about each one of these candlesticks is a day of trading for you. On the first day, Monday, you make $500. Tuesday, you make $500. Wednesday, you make $500. You're up $1,500 for the week. Come Thursday, you blow it all on one trade. How many people have done that before? How many people have done that before? All week, you grinded it out to make 500, 500, 500, right? And then one Thursday, one trade or whatever day it is, one big boy red day wipes out everything that you made for the week. That type of things are devastating, right?
I've done it.
It's devastating, right? Devastating. And it gives you a blow. What does that mean is? That means you have to learn to be more disciplined. Look at this, y'all. Look at that thing go. This is now a bearish engulfing candlestick. Look at the 1 hour time frame. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick at a pivotal level, which was at a pivot point. It broke through. We literally just said a few things is going to happen. We're either going to break up to the upside, or we're going to have a big boy red candlestick that takes out this whole freaking all that work that was put in earlier. This is how you know that the sellers are still in place, right? This is also how you know if we bounce off of this level right here and start to come up, that we are going to be consolidating or trading between levels today. Therefore, do not try to trend trade. Therefore, you should be scalping. Okay? Therefore, you should be scalping. All right? So everybody, I'm going to have to end this early. I gotta get some medicine in my system. My head feels like it's about to explode. So I'm going to end this early today. Yeah, I'm gonna end this early today. I gotta get some meds. I gotta lay down and get some sleep or something. Because my head feels like it's about to explode.
All right.
Man, hope you feel better, brother.
I appreciate it, man. Sorry for that, everybody, but
That's all right, Chris. Get some rest.
Yep.
Yeah, get some rest, man.
So before I get off,
Chris.
Appreciate it. And before I get off, remember everybody, this is a demand zone down, 1 hour demand zone right here. Okay? It's a 1 hour demand. Look at that thing go. Good geesh Louise. Did anybody get in the puts? It happened too fast, didn't it? I don't think nobody had the opportunity.
Nah, I was thinking about it, man. It got close to that 61.8 in the fifth.
Yep.
I hesitated.
I felt the urge too. I was waiting until like 426.
Yeah, get a little bit closer.
I get there.
Yep. And take a look at this right quick too before I jet out. Who has Trading View up? If you got Trading View, you got your do you have your you got your Robert Knoxville pivots? Take a look at this right quick, everybody. Let me go here and move some stuff off. Take a look at this right here. Look at these 8-hour pivots. Right here's the 8-hour pivot, right? Right here's the 8-hour pivot, right? Look at the red pivot, the red lines. 8-hour pivot, 8-hour pivot, 8-hour pivot, boom. Came to the 8-hour pivot, rejected. These 8-hour pivots are in downward trend motion right now. As long as these 8-hour pivots are in a downward trend motion, we're going down. All right. Next stop potentially for 420. Everybody. It may not happen today. It may happen tomorrow. But 420 is that next level. All right. So everybody, you all have a good one. And like I said, remember everybody. Next week we are on the mastermind schedule. The mastermind start next week. So we are on that mastermind schedule. Okay. We'll see you guys tomorrow with JT. I mean, today is Tuesday, right? Today is Monday? Yeah, today is Tuesday. Tomorrow with JT. Everybody will be in the Discord chat, so you got to have any questions, let us know in the Discord chat, okay? All right, y'all have a good one.
All right, Chris.
Thank you.
Everybody on YouTube, you guys have a good one as well. Oh, you got in on your puts. Good stuff. Like and subscribe. Congratulations. Take those profits. Take those profits, man. Take those profits. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for the well wishes. Y'all have a good one.